Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video I am super excited to be bringing you. I'm going to be showing you how to get free keys in Roblox Rivals. You can get a ton of keys for completely free, taking just a few minutes, and this is actually a secret Rivals code, guys. So this is a code you can redeem in Rivals to get tons of free keys. There is even codes to get other things such as free skin cases as well, but this video is focusing primarily on how to get free keys in Rivals. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and share this video with all of your friends. So let's get into the video and show you guys how to get these keys for completely free. What you need to do is use your mobile phone to obtain these Rivals codes, and then you can go ahead and redeem them in your game. So I'm using my iPhone for this, and you got to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So very important you type it correctly, guys. If you need to, you can pause the video and copy that address right there. Cold Coupons is a absolutely awesome codes website. I've used them previously for other Roblox games, and I've started to play Roblox Rivals, so I utilized this website to get free keys. So head on over to the search bar where it says search here, and just type in Rivals, and there should be a Rivals Roblox codes page. There are a few different verified working codes, but you need to select the keys code. This is going to give you 10,000 free keys in Rivals, and it literally takes a few minutes because it is just a simple working code. So go ahead and just follow the steps that I'm showing you guys. It should be pretty easy. Shouldn't have any issues. So what it's done is allocated you a Rivals code for your free keys. As you can see, these are limited codes. There's 147 coupons, and it says your code is ready and will be revealed below after verification. So basically, guys, I did this earlier. It's pretty easy. You need to unlock your Rivals code. As you can see, the code is hidden there. So click on Get Full Code, and it's going to bring you to this page here where it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code. Now, basically, these are free tasks and they sponsor Cold Coupons. That's how they can give us these codes for Rivals for free keys. You need to complete 2 of them, sorry. So make sure you follow the instructions, because that tells you how to complete each task. And just take your time, fully complete 2 of them. It's going to take you a few minutes. Once you do that, it will then redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your Rivals code will be unlocked in this box. I did this earlier, so obviously I'll skip forward. But yeah, your code will be revealed. And once you redeem it in Rivals Roblox, that is going to supply you, in this case, with your 10,000 free keys, guys. So that is the easiest and fastest method to get free keys in Rivals Roblox. Super simple. Just got to go to Cold Coupons. If you need any help, let me know, guys. But yeah, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in my next video.